Looking at the GBP1 United States dollar chart, here's a breakdown of the analysis and additional insights. Key levels and scenarios highlighted. Sell scenario, level to watch, 1.230. If the price closes below 1.230 on the daily time frame, it indicates the continuation of a bearish trend. Look for pullbacks to enter sell positions. Buy scenario, if the daily time frame fails to close below 1.230, buying opportunities may arise. I will look out for change of character chalk or corrective patterns such as a head and shoulders. Target levels appear to include 1.2395 and potentially higher, towards 1.2471 and higher. If bullish momentum strengthens, overall bias, the chart suggests a cautious approach, waiting for clear confirmations either for a breakout below 1.230 for sell trades, a reversal signal with bullish patterns for buy trades. Key observations. Trend. The chart shows a downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. However, the highlighted 1.230 zone acts as a critical support level. Change of character chalk, a potential reversal signal where the market shifts from bearish to bullish. This is marked on the chart near the 1.236 level. Indicators. Moving averages seem to point down, reinforcing the bearish momentum.